Everything you need to know about creatine in 60 seconds or less. I'm going to get this as fast as possible. So creatine monohydrate is an ingredient that has been proven safe and effective across tons of studies. One of the most safe and effective ingredients that we have on the market today. Definitely one of the most research backed. So what creatine does is it helps the body to increase ATP. ATP is muscular energy. It is going to help you to improve strength, muscle gain, muscle retention, improved recovery times, not to mention improved focus and memory. Creatine monohydrate is something that you're going to want to take for a long duration of time. One serving every single day, that's it. 1 to 2 servings every day. Try to take this for 4, 8, 12 months or longer. Studies have shown safety all the way up to 36 months of consistent use from 5 grams all the way up to 30 grams. And as always, choose ours. Our creatine monohydrate produced in GMP, NSF, FDA registered facility, third-party tested every single time. Absolutely delicious flavors, custom built, authentic Latino flavors built from the ground up with every single product. I think that's it. I think that covers it. We're probably under 60 seconds. Make sure you guys share it. Make sure you subscribe. Links are all in the bio. We appreciate you. We're out of here.